हेलो व्हाट्सअप एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू द व्लॉग। आज तुम्हारे भाई की गुड मॉर्निंग थोड़ी जल्दी हो गई है। मैं 9 बजे उठ गया एंड उठते ही मैं काम पे लग गया। आई एम एडिटिंग अ यूट्यूब वीडियो। लुक एट दैट क्यूटी, लुक एट दैट क्यूटी। आप लोगों को पता होगा मेरा एक और चैनल है, आई डोंट नो, समवेयर अराउंड 5 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स ऑन दैट चैनल। सो उस चैनल के लिए वीडियो एडिट हो रही है। दिस शुड बी आउट इन द नेक्स्ट 3 days, आई एम अज्यूमिंग। एंड या सो सुबह जल्दी उठ के एडिटिंग में बैठ गया हूँ एंड नाउ आई एम ईटिंग माई ब्रेकफास्ट। ये वही ब्रेकफास्ट है जो मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे दिखाता हूँ। ओके, वट एवर आई शो आई कंज्यूम ऑल्सो। आई एम नॉट लाइक अदर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स। सो अभी मैं बैठ के ब्रेकफास्ट प्रिटेंडिंग टू वर्क एंड सून आई विल हिट द जिम। बट आज के लिए आई हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल थिंग लाइंड अप। टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर Shefali is taking us to a place, okay, a restaurant which she is recommending like crazy. She has never taken me out, in the sense she has never decided where we are going to eat, because I make all the decisions. I am the decision maker in this friendship, not because I'm a man or anything. It's just because I make better decisions when it comes to food. Okay, so let's see if her recommendation is up to the standard. Does it match with my taste levels? 1 tablespoon of honey, down that and go blast the session. Yum. I hope you guys are liking these vlogs. I'm going to be regular now. Okay, make sure you like and comment. Let's go. So we have arrived at the gym. आज है मेरा chest and arms यानी biceps, because last vlog में मैंने tricep किया था, right, legs के साथ. Today is going to be chest and biceps. I should be doing a little bit of shoulders as well, but my left shoulder is a little fucked. ठीक है, I don't know how, some partly cricket, partly my own stupidity, but the left shoulder is a little fucked right now. So it's only going to be chest and biceps. So we're going to start with biceps. I'm thinking आज करेंगे Bayesian cable curl, which is basically a more stretch bias curl variation, and उसके बाद we will start with chest. I want to do flat dumbbell press. आज हम मारेंगे 80 pound के dumbbell. I want to go for 7 or 8 reps, but with this shoulder it's getting a little challenging. But no problem. We'll try to see how much you can push. And flat dumbbell के बाद हम pec fly मारेंगे. Again about 2 to 3 sets of pec fly, and we'll wrap it up with another bicep curl variation. I'm thinking just your standard dumbbell curls. I have my EAA here. Cheers, let's go. Let me show you guys my condition right now. Just walked into the gym, no pump. This is what I look like. Fair bit of vascularity on my bicep, my forearms, pretty much everywhere. So I think I'm fairly lean right now. But there is no size यार. बंदा इतना छोटा लग रहा है. Pump के बाद compare करेंगे. At least bicep is fine, but the tris are lacking like crazy. Fun fact, you see the long head? This part? My insertion is terrible, like it just ends here. आपने लोगों का देखा होगा bulging triceps होता है. I just don't have that because of shitty insertions, but it's okay. We work with what we have. We will get jacked with whatever the fuck we have, okay? इसको compare करना, वीडियो के एंड में एक और पोस्ट करूँगा. Compare करना, कोई fan edit बना दो यार. Okay, so my first working set, I want to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much is that? 18 kgs on each side. ये जो केबल मशीन है, इसका प्राइस गेस करो आप. This is a Nautilus cable machine. Just guess. 7 lakh rupees. Minimum 7 lakh rupees. The Nautilus is one of the best equipments in the gym industry and very rare to find. मेरे जिम में एक ही है Nautilus का. I love it, huh? Biceps मारने के लिए, shoulder मारने के लिए, chest मारने के लिए. Grab the handles. Take a step forward. Keep elbows locked behind the body and curl. Okay, so bicep के 3 सेट हो गए. I don't know if you guys can hear me. That speaker is banging loud. अभी chest start करेंगे. Chest खत्म होने के बाद फिर से 2 सेट bicep मारेंगे.
Okay, so let's start with flat dumbbell press. I'm going to warm up with 40 pounds and 70 pounds and 80 pounds का first working set लेंगे. देखो मैं पाउंड्स में इसलिए बात कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज मेरे जिम में पाउंड्स का ही है वेट सिस्टम, ठीक है. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दीज पाउंड्स वाला सिस्टम इटसेल्फ. So 2 warm-ups are done. 80 pounds is going to be my first working set. I think I can get 6 reps easy, but I want to go for 7. 7 is going to be good progress. Last week I got 6. So what's happening is bicep curls mein I'm pushing a little bit, so I'm not as fresh while doing my pressing movements. Progress is still progress. If I can get 1 rep extra this week, I will take it. Okay, 80 pounds, let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuck yes. I got it. Bitch, let's go. Let's go. That's fucking progress. Whew. I didn't expect to get 8. But I think the depth was good, right? You guys saw it. 8 reps is good. बल्क पे मैं 90 के साथ 8 reps करता था. अभी कट पे 80 के साथ 8 reps. I'll take it.
गाइज जिम देख रहे हो, पूरा खाली है. सिर्फ मेरे जैसे 1-2 बेरोजगार बच्चे आए हैं और कोई नहीं है.
सो फ्लैट डम्बल प्रेस के तीनों सेट बहुत बढ़िया गए. आई थिंक मेरी प्रेसिंग पावर इंक्रीज़ हो रही है. एंड इट्स नॉट बिकॉज माई चेस्ट हैज़ गॉटन स्ट्रॉन्गर. आई थिंक माई ट्राइसेप्स हैव गॉटन स्ट्रॉन्गर. जब से मैंने ये आर्म्स स्पेशलाइजेशन स्टार्ट किया है, आई हैव बीन फोकसिंग लॉट ऑफ ट्राइसेप वॉल्यूम एंड बाइसेप वॉल्यूम एंड देव ग्रोन ऑब्वियसली. एंड प्रेसिंग में ट्राइसेप्स प्लेज अ ह्यूज रोल. सो मेरी लॉकआउट पावर इंक्रीज़ हुई है. सो आई एम गोना बी डूइंग 70 kgs. 70 is a lot for me right now, but if I can get 6 clean reps, I will be happy. And 2 rep cheat मार लेंगे. Let's go. Fuck. Oops, क्या तोड़ दिया भाई. देख रहे हो बिग मैन की स्ट्रेंथ. मशीन तोड़ दिया मैंने. Okay, so I was not happy with that last set. My form was horrendous, horrible. No fucking A reduction at all. Let's see if I can fix my technique on this set. Ego lifting के लिए एक set बहुत होता है. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Okay, so chest हो गया है. It is now time to do biceps again. We are now going to do some alternating dumbbell curls. देखो मैं double curls इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because it's old school, it's raw and it feels amazing. ठीक है? All these Bayesian curls and all full heavy science based. But I like to have a little blend of science based and old school lifting as well. Plus, if you notice, all the biggest guys, they always fucking do dumbbell curls. Okay. 20 clean reps. Happy with that. I could have done 2 more. I just left some in reserve. Pump is looking magnificent, guys. Pump is looking magnificent. Oh. So we are now done with the workout. अभी compare करते हैं pump. Bicep कैसी लग रही है, guys? Oh fuck, definitely a lot bigger. So अभी घर जाके रेडी होना है एंड बाहर के लिए निकलना है.
So guys, naha dho ke I've come to Indiranagar right now with Shefali. We're going to be going to Yuki, which is another
Spanish.
Pan-Asian or Japanese.
Pan-Asian.
It's a Pan-Asian restaurant. Pan-Asian matlab they have all kinds of Asian cuisine, from Japanese to Korean to Thai to Malaysian. Fun fact, I hate Pan-Asian, but she seems to like this place, so we're going to give it a shot. If I don't like it, never in my life ever again am I going to do anything that she asks me to do, except for wear clothes that she recommends. Fit check guys, fit check. How do I look? Why are you wearing... Bro, she's always wearing something similar to me.
Guys, I have a lot of clothes and he has like 3 clothes. So
Hello,
he always copies.
in the last 1 month I have spent all my money on clothes, okay? But I look good. Come this side.
The road.
Come this side. Come this side. The car will get you. Because there's a fit check. That's an electric car. That's why no sound.
Oh.
I was so smooth.
Yeah.
Then look at the fit check. How do I look? Got the, Bates t-shirt, dark blue jeans, curry Jordans, and my watch. Let's go. What are you staring at me like that?
They were looking at us, that's why.
Some shady place she's taking me to, guys. Show your nails. Show your nails. Guys, tell me, is this normal length or is it too long?
It's actually short.
It's fucking too long. Show it here.
Compare it to men.
No, I'm not comparing it to men. Even for women, what would look nice?
Nothing short.
She thinks everything she does is perfection, right? Brother, you should be open to some constructive criticism. Which floor is it on?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know which floor Yuki is on. You came here last weekend.
It's on the second floor.
So guys, we're here at Yuki. I have ordered 12 pieces of sushi and 3 mains. Sorry, 2 mains and 1 starter. So this is just going to be, a small course for me. Because 12 pieces of sushi is what? It's nothing, right? So how many calories do you think 12 pieces of sushi is? Guess? It might be 600 to 700. We'll find out. I'll see how big their sushi is. For the time being, she is drinking 1 beer.
It's kombucha.
It's kombucha, guys. You see, kombucha, non-alcoholic. It kind of slaps, okay? Look at those guns, guys. They're growing. That's just fat.
That's so mean. I go to the gym.
Just because you go to the gym doesn't mean you're fit. Okay, you're fit. She's fit, guys. She's fit. It's okay. We'll give her participation certificate.
Nothing I do way more than participate at the gym.
What's your squat PR? Tell the audience your squat PR. 60, yeah? How many reps?
7?
You can do 7 reps to 60.
On a good day.
The day you get to 80 for 5 reps, no. I will agree that you lift seriously.
I thought you were giving me money.
She's a gold digger. For everything she wants money.
You like it?
Not bad.
Actually, right?
Using these chopsticks are a pain. She's going to make a wish. Why don't you wish for a Goa trip? She's wished for a Goa trip, guys. Should we make it happen? I don't know. It's 4th of Jan today. We'll try. Maybe in March we'll go.
My wish comes true.
If
By
your wish-
growing your eyelash.
Ah.
Just want to pluck every eyelash.
She's saying if her wish comes true, she's going to start plucking all my eyelashes.
Can I eat?
Yeah, eat. No. Okay. One more.
Touch like this first. Stop eating.
Go and get all up. Take a fork, Shefali. Take a fork. You're dipping too much. That's way too much. That's good, no? I really like that.
I recommend it.
She finally made a good recommendation, guys.
By the way, my first one.
Guys, I'm changing my mind about sushi. If you go to the right place, this can actually taste pretty decent. Okay, I'm not saying it's the best. Obviously, I'm not saying sushi is the best, but I think
Where is sushi from? Japan, right?
yeah, sushi is from
Yeah,
Japan.
maybe if you go to Japan, it'll be better. Actually,
I don't
never
think
know.
no, in Japan it won't be as good.
Let me do that.
I'm gonna give this actually an 8 on 10, which is
I think
pretty
this was an
decent.
8.5. I really like this, the center one.
Center one, see, this sushi is the most raw feeling
I think
sushi.
it's tuna.
If you guys like to keep it raw, then you should go for this scented sushi. That's tuna, yeah. So guys, all of our mains is now here. This is something which is healthy. This is just chicken and broccoli. Looks dead, but looks sad, but it's for my
depressed.
yeah. It's depressed like me. But anyways, this looks more happy,
Like me.
colorful, like her. Okay, that is again like me. You know, just chicken and fucking rice.
Sad guy who goes to the gym.
But it all looks great, you know. I think it looks like a beautiful meal. Let's belt now. Okay, so we're now gonna try the rice noodles.
This look like the one we tried to one to stand top.
Forbidden fruit. I haven't eaten noodles at forbidden fruit. How do you eat this? Why are they so long?
Shit, brother.
They're so long.
Stay on me.
Nice. Yeah, it's a little spicy. That stir-fried broccoli and chicken, yum.
Not so sad after all.
Yeah, the thing is, if you mix this and this, it's going very well because it's spicy. And see, these are good portions also. So guys, these rice noodles are insanely good. Spicy though, but fortunately when we dip it with that chicken and broccoli, it goes really well. Hey, wait, put some sauces. Don't eat as it is. Don't eat as it is. First put some sauces. Huh, that's too little. Will you take a piece of chicken? That's too much garlic, bro. You'll smell of garlic then. Don't sit with me in the car. Really good.
So it's a burst of flavor with
Yeah.
the sauces.
Too good. Man, this broth, I pretty much finished all of it. I'm loving it. Done. Time to get the desserts now. Alright guys, my desserts are here and they look good, but I doubt the cheesecake will be as good. Japanese cheesecake is like a sponge cake.
It is basically a
It is a sponge cake, you see that? But yeah, this coconut panna cotta is what I'm excited for. Are you excited?
for the coconut panna cotta.
Let's eat then. No, why are you eating ice cream? Decent, huh? Better than Naru. So Naru was just bad.
Very spongy. Nice cake. Probably right.
I'm gonna taste it with the ice cream. Ice cream looks good. Do you think ice cream is homemade?
No, they said quality was.
What? Yeah, I not homemade.
But quality was. Or Amul.
Actually, a very nice sponge cake. If I think of it from a sponge cake perspective, it's really nice. But as a cheesecake, yeah. Let's try the panna cotta. Very mellow. Very, very mellow. You should have eaten this only first. Very delicate. Mellow. No complaints with Yuki, man. This is a complete meal.
Very nice texture, right? So soft. Get that to just right?
Guys, look at that. Look at that. Shefali is paying. Oh my god.
Looks like I'm making black money.
She's paying my money back to me, which I'll use to pay this bill of 4,000 rupees, which is pretty decent considering how much we ate. Total 9 quantities. And in the heart of Indiranagar, what a beautiful meal. 4K, I don't mind. Do you?
Not at all.
Because you're not paying for it.
I am.
You're just paying.
Still my money. I can't waste it.
You're paying it to me. You owe me 14,000 rupees. Yeah, guys, guess why does she owe me 14,000 rupees?
Guys, he just loots me. He takes money from me every month.
How much? That's 4K. That's 4K.
This is how he buys protein.
Do I have to count it or is that 4K?
You just had to do that.
It's 4K. Not bad, guys. She knows how to count. Come, let's go. Okay, guys. So we are done for today. बहुत सारा खाया है, and I don't want to spend more time with her, so I'm sending her home. She's gonna drive herself home. That is it for this vlog. See you guys. Completed. That's it for this vlog.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you guys in the next one. Tomorrow and all, I cannot promise.